to the unboxing video for the JUKI MO-3000QVP Akane Serger. Safety glasses are always recommended when working with tools. To open the box, you will need a box cutter and a pair of needle nose pliers. Make an incision above each one of the 4 staples. Doing so makes removal of the staples easier. Now cut the length of the tape on each side. Pry the staples up and out using the needle nose pliers. Be sure not to release your grip on the staples. Now let's open our box and see what's inside. First, you'll find an inspection card. Below the inspection card, you will find a package that contains your owner's manual and your warranty registration instruction card. Warranty registration is handled online. You will find a plastic bag with accessories, a power cable, and a catch tray. We will go into the accessory pouch in more details later in this video. Our standard sewing machine foot control is included with this machine, as there are features in this machine which can take advantage of the dual switch in the foot control. Also included is a knee lift. The last 2 parts are the thread stand and guide rack or rail that goes onto the back of the machine. Now simply lift up on the styrofoam to expose the machine below. All of our machines come with a handle so you can easily lift it. You will notice a piece of styrofoam that becomes loose. Please do not discard this, as you will need it should you ever need to repackage the machine for shipping. Now let's take a closer look at our accessories. You will find 4 spool caps. These will be needed when you are using a regular spool of thread and not a serger cone. As you may not be able to use the air threading system for certain threads, a threading wire is provided. Also included is a wool needle, a dust cover, a new curved foot is included to take advantage of the closer relationship between the cutter and needles, allowing you to serge tighter curves. A T-shaped screwdriver pack of Schmetz universal size 80 and 90 needles. A bottle of oil is also included, as maintenance by the consumer is required on this machine. Now let's take a sneak peek at some of the features on this new MO-3000QVP Akane Serger. Looking down on the machine, you will notice that there is a square panel. This is a magnetic storage tray for you to store your needles on so they won't get lost or be loose on the table. On the right rear side of the machine, there's an extra control knob with an indicator with a picture of the foot. This is micro lift. The micro lift feature is a feature we have brought in from our sewing machines. It allows you to create a gap between the bed of the machine and the foot to accommodate very thick fabric sandwiches. For easier threading, we have removed the hooks on the rear side of the machine. Thank you for watching the unboxing video of the JUKI MO-3000QVP Akane Serger.